Hello everyone, welcome back to Amuda Academy. So in this video, we are going to learn the second question, the easiest one, that is comparative statement of profit and loss, or you can call it as comparative statement of income statement. Right. So let us read the question. This is very easy. In previous video, we have solved first question. In this video, we are solving second question. So let us start. So let us read the question first. Yes. Yeah. From the following statement of profit and loss, or you can call it as income statement of Madhu and Company Limited, prepare comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ended March 31st, 2016. So they have given a statement of profit and loss, and you have to prepare comparative statement of profit and loss account. So how to prepare it? Let us see. So the first thing given in the question is revenue from operation, and all other are expenses, employee benefit expenses and other expenses. We need to minus it. If the question specifies any other incomes, you need to add it. That's it. And you have also tax of 40% for both the years. Here 40% and here also 40%. Let us solve this and let us see what is the answer. Right. So the first thing is revenue from operation. So in the 15-16, we have revenue from operation 16 lakhs, and in 16-17, they have given it as 20 lakhs. Obviously, you can see that from 15-16 to 16-17, 4 lakh increased. 4 lakh increased, correct? So this is a positive sign for the company. And the next thing is employee benefit expenses and other expenses. So we need to minus it from the revenue from operation. Right. So what they have given, employee benefit expenses, employee benefit expenses, and how much it is, 8 lakh and 10 lakh. And also they have given other expenses also. Other expenses, you need to write it in a complete word, so don't use shortcuts and all in the examination. So other expenses is 2 lakh and another 1 lakh rupees. So if you minus it, you will get total income. Before that, we'll see how much change is there. So in 15-16, it is 8 lakh rupees, and in 16-17, it is increased up to 10 lakh rupees, which means 2 lakh increased, correct? So other expenses also, it got reduced by 1 lakh, correct? Got reduced by 1 lakh. So let us see how much it comes out. So both the things we need to minus. So this is in minus format. We'll keep it in minus only. Right. 1 lakh got reduced. Right. Then we need to find out the percentage. How we can find out? So absolute change, whatever absolute change is there, 4 lakh rupees from for revenue from operations, and we need to compare with the base year, that is previous year. This is previous year and this is current year, correct? So we need to compare it with previous year divided by 16 lakhs. What is the percentage into 100? So you can see that 25 percentage. You can calculate it as well. So I'm just mind calculating it. You just calculate in calculator, right? So now we have 2 lakh increased in employee benefit expenses. What is the percentage for that? 2 lakh divided by base year, that is 8 lakh, given into 100. Please do watch previous video, then only you can understand it clearly. First question, that is right. So what is the percentage? Obviously it is also 25 percentage. 25 percentage. Now, so 1 lakh reduced from other expenses. What is the percentage of changes? So 1 lakh reduced, that is 1 lakh is the change, and divided by what is the base year amount, that is 2 lakh into 100. Obviously it will come out around 50 percentage. We'll keep it as it is. Right, now we'll minus it and we'll arrive it to total income. We'll arrive to total income. Right, so we need to minus these both things, correct? Obviously 16 lakh minus 8, remaining 8 minus 2, obviously will remain with 6 lakh as total income for 15-16. Now for 16-17, obviously remaining 9 lakh rupees. Now we need to find out absolute increase or decrease. So what is the increase or decrease? It has obviously it has increased around 3 lakh rupees. It has increased around 3 lakh. What is the percentage? What is the percentage? We'll calculate 3 lakh divided by base year, that is 6 lakhs into 100. Obviously it will come out as 50 percentage, right? So it will come out as 50 percentage. Now, what else we have? We have tax rate. Then this amount will not become total income. So we don't have any other income here. So we'll exclude this and rename it as profit before tax. So if you have any other incomes, if you add it, let us see here. Revenue from operation, they have given some amount. Let us say 10 lakh rupees for 16 and 11 lakh for 17, 2017. Right. If you have any other incomes, if you have any other incomes, I forgot that to explain. So I'll explain here. Right. If you have any other incomes, let us say 1 lakh, here 2 lakh rupees. So if you add it, it will become 11 lakh and here 13 lakh. This will become total income. This will become total income. Now we don't have any other incomes. We directly minusing the expenses. I need to explain it in it before, but I forgot that I'm explaining it here. Right. Here we'll call it as profit before tax because we are not adding any other incomes, so we'll not get any total income here. Directly we are minusing expenses, so we'll arrive at to profit before tax. So in the previous question we have other income also. So we got total income. Now we don't have anything, right? Now we'll directly minus the income tax. Tax at 40% for both. So on what amount we'll charge the tax? We'll charge the tax amount on profit before tax. This is the amount 6 lakhs and 9 lakhs. What is the percentage of tax? 40%. 6 lakhs into 40 percentage. What is the amount we are getting? Let us see. 6 lakhs into 40 divided by 100. We got 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000. Right. We got here 2 lakh 40,000 as tax amount. And for 9 lakhs, how much it is? For 9 lakhs into 40 divided by 100. So 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000 tax amount. So here we need to find out what is the change here. How much amount got changed. So around 60 plus 60, around 1 lakh 20,000 changed. Correct. 1 lakh 20,000. It is correct. Yeah. Now, so what is the percentage change here? What is the percentage change here? 1.2 lakh divided by 2.4 lakh into 100. If you do this, we'll get 50 percentage. 50% change is there. Right. Now we'll arrive at to profit after tax. Profit after tax. So how we can find out? Just minus these things. So 6 lakhs minus 2 lakh 40,000. How much it is? 3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh 60,000 is the remaining. And out of 9 lakh, 3 lakh 60,000 minus how much it will be? 6 lakhs plus 5 lakh 40,000. 5 lakh 40,000. So what is the change here? What is the change here? We need to find out that 1 lakh 40,000 plus 40,000, 1 lakh 80,000. Again, I think it will come out as 50%. 1.8 lakh divided by 3.6 lakhs into 100. Obviously, you'll find out 50%. So this is how we will calculate for the profit and loss, comparative statement of profit and loss. So this is the end of the video. Kindly note it down, and this is very important and very easy also. So thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video, and we'll solve the balance sheet problem also in comparative statement. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.